actually show you consultation mode in Sketchup. So if we are conversing, I don't have to keep doing this. But right now I'll have to keep on doing that because I am demonstrating something that I could. 안녕하세요 여러분. The first extension that I bought ever in my life in Sketchup is called the Curic extension. The first thing I will show you is called Curic OI. Let's say this is a simple plane or rectangle. Using that first Curic OI called chalk line, I can use like a tape measure tool, but actually to make some walls. And if I press the control button, it's going to make a double line. So example, you have a wall here, and you want to use this one, Curic OI. This could be your wall. And you can also change that wall thickness. But aside from that, I would like to show you what the DIO does. The drawing object does this. You click the line, and you can draw from outside of the group. See? And it will give you the option to push and pull even if you are outside of the group. See that? So you don't actually need to go inside and then edit. That also works, example, if you have multiple groups, for example, like this. And then I press this. I would like to draw in this object. See that? That is inside of that group. That is DIO. And the trowel does that. Oh my goodness, it's time. Ready? One for you and one for me. And we can go back in here. The next thing I want to show you is the stretch. Stretch, if you have multiple objects like this and you would like to stretch them, for example this one, select from outside the group and stretch. Cool, right? That means I don't have to go inside of this group to do that. Now I will show you another thing. It's called the extend. Let's say you have a roof that is angled like this. What do you do in Revit and AutoCAD architecture? You want to extrude this here, right? So you click on that, up arrow. Ta-da! Now you don't have to keep doing the old method. What is the old method? The one that you would subtract from last. That's what you would do before, right? 1:100 will look like this. We also have make 2D. For example, this one, I would like this to be one group. So paste in place. This group, I would like to make it 2D. Current view. Now I have a CAD elevation. Toggle 2D objects. Do I like it to make a geometry or an image? I would like it to be a geometry on the current view. Make 2D. And now I have a 2D view. And Curic section is a bit tricky, but you need to make everything into a section plane. Example just like this. Section plane. And then we could choose the material. And then you can see it's hatched. You can also choose the third option, which is concrete. So this is useful if you have walls. And that's for Curic section. See you in the next video when we discuss about debug. 안녕하세요 여러분, ladies and gentlemen. Now we'll go to debug. This is the second plugin I spent for. Well, you can have, I think, a 14-day or 2-week free trial. What this does is essentially like what you do in ArchiCAD or Revit. Make the walls first. You can also set the sizes. For example, like this. And you can actually auto cut doors. For example, I want a 90 width door. It goes pink in order to cut the door. And it automatically snaps with the walls that you make. For the window, I would like 1.2 meter length. And if you would like the whole window to stretch or to span, just click on Shift. There you have it. That's it. And then group everything and press the magic 2D to 3D. Ta-dang! There you have it. Right? Very easy, very fast, very expensive. For example, you would like to interact with the doors. It's okay. But let's say you have a revision. You want to put this window here to the right. Just put it there and then convert it back to 2D and it will adjust. Same with the door. Whether it's in 3D or 2D, whatever you adjust here will also get updated. For example, I would like to delete this door. Hold down Alt and Erase and have a double swing door like this. Convert it back again. That's it. Thank you very much. And these are expensive extensions, but if you would like to speed up your workflow, just contact them. Now, before purchasing all of this, I was actually awarded by 5D Plus to test out their extension. And you can get it for as low as, I think, 300 pesos monthly. It's really worth it. First of all, I would like to use their tape measure, which is actually free, so I could easily get the area. You can go to multi-mode and get the area of the door. Length for a single mode, which is 3.4 meters. So for example, I would like to set up the levels. I would say that the height is 3,400 millimeters and generate in one click everything. 1, 2, 3. 17 scenes created. I mean the Keurig scenes, I could see them arranged here. Floor plan architectural, floor plan for finishing. But for now, I would like it to be 4 columns, just say for example's sake. Just click on this column grid. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now you have A, B, and 1, 2. The thing is, the letters and numbers are too big, so you can just change the scale of that to 1:50 and do it again. Column grid. Okay. There you have it. Very easy. This is not working because I did not update the software yet. Goodbye. And the most expensive purchase will be Sketchup 2025, 20,000 per year. Is it worth it? Thanks, sir, for joining my live session. What do you think about this tutorial?
It's good to be part of it.
Thank you. I appreciate you for sending